Hello friends, we are starting our 42nd session of Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. As our tradition is, we are going to Shardapur, from where I am taking the session 42nd session, Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973601717. In room number 126, where our sacred Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir Shadow, and 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir Shadow Mandir document is there. We are with folded hand putting our wishing by bowing in front. Then room number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita and Amit Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir Shadow document and 175 crore Jyotir Mandir Shadow document of Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha Mandir and Amita Vilasa Mandir of document. Then Brahma Saraswati Mandir, room number 3, that is ISBN Brahma Saraswati Law Education, 12 Jyotir ISBN document, My Truth Only Trumps book, which I have written 31st August 2001, and in 6 Unborn Family, 16 February 2002. (8190186002X), copyright number 954/03/COL, Truth Only Trumps book, which I am selling in the market, and 175 crore Hindu ISBN certificate. Then room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Devi Bhagvat and the Durga Sapsati, 12 Jyotir Mandir Shadow document and 175 crore Hindu Jagadamba Mandir Shadow document. And room number 5, each united Varshkrit God and Goddess with 108 Upanishad shadow document of ISBN, 18 Puranas shadow documents and 4 Vedas, and the Mithila Varshkrit Part 1, Part 2, and all the Varshkrit of North, South, East, West, Central India Hindus. Then room number 6, the 31st August 1946 Clement Independence Act document and 15-member shadow document, which was recommended by Clement Attlee, and 299 members shadow document on which constitution was made, and our constitutional committee, and all from 26 January 1950, when we became Democratic Republic, till now 2021, where I am taking 42nd Organized Self-Employment Ministry budget session, democratic way. Worshipping the document in 6 form, 6 idol image, 31st August to 11th September and 16 February to 26 February, where it says that from the very beginning, we organized citizen are having our Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo election ID card. Now we are working for the constitutional validity on our work, income, educational certificate and faith. For this, I am trying to make a democratic public opinion where we will get direct ministry connection. So we are worshipping it, and every year 2 times, 31st August to 11th September and 16 February to 26 February, and then putting the ideal in the Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, Krishna, and all the rivers, and then again back to the work. 6 unborn work we are doing from the time immemorial. One is politician work in a truth and non-violence way. One is the industrial work in truth and non-violence way. One is the educational or Hindu scientific or Hindu lawyers or Hindu editor, reporter, Hindu woman, truth and non-violence work, Hindu truth and non-violence truth work, and Hindus government, which has been taken into 6 form and united into one concept of Amit Kumar Jha, Saradapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, with the document signing method by putting our Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport size photo election identity card and passport, and becoming constitutional validity on our work, income, educational certificate, so that we can be able to become a organized self-employment ministry worker from grade A to Z or from 1 to infinity. So the principle is right of pension. We are able to form in constitution right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, and constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate, and certain faith. So, and our unborn system should become a bond system by signing the document with the representative of shadow representative, so that we all join directly to the 750 our Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha representative and 4,500 Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad representative. With that we have 6 unborn Hindu families, 750 into 6, because political family, industrial family, educated or editor or lawyer or Hindu scientist family, woman family on national level, and the truth non-violence family and the government family into 6, and 4,500 into 6 on the state level Hindu national family were directly connected to the Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad as politician, then industrialist, then educationist or editor or reporter or scientific Hindu scientist or the lawyers, or then women, then truth and non-violence, and the government representative. Directly we are connected by this method by the fiscal credit table system. And my concept, I am Amiteshwar Jha and Amit Kumar Jha, Saradapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. My concept is that if 10 paisa is fixed as educational certificate in certain faith and we are signing on that, we are becoming self-employment government servant, and the ministerial benefit is coming to us on our work and income and constitutional validity. If we are taking on the equilibrium point by unity method as we took in Gandhism, as Amiteshwarism, we are coming in 6 unborn family and we are becoming self-employed government servant, because at that time also we were 33 crore population when Gandhism was taken as a governance method. Now democracy has come, everyone is requiring employment, and by my concept, as we are putting in the socialist pattern, 20 crore Aadhaar card in front of each pair, we all are knowing that we are being directly ministry connected and directly budget connected, means we all are getting the blessing of the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, means we all are getting all and all thing. We have to sign the document automatically we are putting our this work we are doing, which we can give validity in our 5 unborn family, because one family is we are belonging. We have already been marriage in different families, and one of the family is we are, means we are either from the Kailash Dham or Vaikunth Dham or Sat Dham or Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham or each united God and Goddess Dham or government Dham. Our base is coming from the Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, and the ISBN Puran, that is Brahma Saraswati Puran, the different type of ISBN, the Durga Saptati or Devi Bhagavad Puran, the Varshkrit Puran, that is 108 Upanishad and 18 Puran and 4 Vedas, and the government Puran, that is Indian Constitution of India, the Gazette of India. Commencing from the modern world, 1860 we started our budget, then 1860 we started our Indian Railway budget. Now I am trying to propagate for 2001 onward organized self-employment ministry budget. This is the organized self-employment 42nd session, and otherwise also I am taking a regular session on the basis morning and evening according to the requirements of the conversation, so that the organized self-employment ministry can live and forever give employment to each and everyone. So on that basis, 20 crore Aadhaar card if we are putting in front of the politicians, if in front of our Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sat Dham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, what we are getting understanding that we all are earning, means industrialist is also earning, politician is also earning, the educationist, the reporter, the editor, the Hindu scientist, the lawyers, the Hindu woman, the each united truth and non-violence, and the government, all are earning 2020. Now according to qualification it will bifurcate, and according to the income it will bifurcate. So for that I have made equilibrium point, employment equilibrium point in democracy way, that is according to our unequal distribution of the resources, because God and God blessing is different in different area, plateau area different, mountain area different, plain area different. So on the document level we are becoming equal by the equilibrium point. 30,000 per month above. At the time of 31st August 1946 it was 20 rupees per month who are able to earn. Then immediately when Nehru was the interim government prime minister, and then on 15th August 1947 when he furled the flag, it became 30 rupees per month earner. Now the level is 30,000 per month above earner, that is 30% and 70% proportion is there. The requirement is of 2001, which I am moving with the blessing of the Trishul, the vermilion mark represented as welfare power, that is live Shiv Parvati, Chakra and vermilion mark, that is Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita and Krishna Radha and Amitva Vilasa, that is live money. The Kamandal and the vermilion mark, that is Brahma and Saraswati, that is law and education. The Adi Shakti Jagadamba and non-veto husband, that is Shiva, that is Trinetra vermilion mark, and that is family and the welfare, non-veto husband. Then the truth savior and truth saviors, that is the book and the vermilion mark, that is the representing, and the 16.66 into 6, that is government stamp and vermilion mark, that is government son and government daughter. So we are commencing from that point. Then I am trying to make it on the income level, constitutional validity on income work, so that each and everyone can enjoy their sovereignty, because we are belonging from one family already attached to us, because mother and father both are from different, then marriage is being made. So automatically 2 family and 6 family is requirement of today. So document wise, because without education we cannot do, without family we cannot become beautiful, without the truth and non-violence we cannot be pinpointed for our mistake, and without government we cannot keep our document, and without the law and education we cannot work. So all this is required. So on that basis I am trying to put the concept that we have to connect the we have to see the document from the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, 6 pair Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is कैलाश धाम राष्ट्रपति भवन, बैकुंठ धाम राष्ट्रपति भवन, सत्य धाम राष्ट्रपति भवन, that is welfare power राष्ट्रपति भवन, live money राष्ट्रपति भवन, the law education राष्ट्रपति भवन, the family and non veto husband राष्ट्रपति भवन, that is family and the welfare राष्ट्रपति भवन, the वर्षकृत god and goddess राष्ट्रपति भवन, that is truth savior राष्ट्रपति भवन, and the government राष्ट्रपति भवन, connected to the one राष्ट्रपति भवन, that is 26 January 1950. For the subdivision individual status, because 31st September to 31st August to 11 September, we are individually also earning, because our individually differ as we move, because according to our nature we start developing, because as much effort we put on the work, as much we develop. Individually our personal capacity is also the individual, because how much we are putting our effort, according to that we get success, because labor reaps reward. Truth only trumps is right, but labor also reaps reward. So on that basis I am putting the individual Rashtrapati Bhavan concept attached to the main Rashtrapati Bhavan 26 January 1950, that is the Parvati Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the Power Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Welfare Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the Shiv Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Lakshmi Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the Money Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Vishnu Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Live Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the Sita Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Ram Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Radha Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Krishna Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Abhilasha Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Amit Rashtrapati Bhavan. Means all Rashtrapati Bhavan is connected to Vishnu Lakshmi Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is connected to 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan. Because concept wise we have to understand that individually we are becoming self-employed government servant, because directly we are being connected. Then the Brahma Saraswati Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Brahma Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Saraswati Rashtrapati Bhavan, Veena Pustak Dharani Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Law Rashtrapati Bhavan and Education Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Adi Shakti Jagadamba Rashtrapati Bhavan and her non-veto husband, that is Shiva Rashtrapati Bhavan. Again the individually Adi Shakti Jagadamba, individual Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the non-veto husband Shiva Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then the each united Varshkrit God Rashtrapati Bhavan, means individually we are having so many Varshkrit God, and then the individually Varshkrit goddess Rashtrapati Bhavan of Hindus, because so many god and goddess are all over, Gram Devta and all, the village god and goddess all over Panchayat, which I have tried to make Sadchayat. So on that basis, why Sadchayat? Because 5 families already are there in Panchayat: Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power; Vishnu Lakshmi, that is live money; Brahma Saraswati, that is law education; Adi Shakti Jagadamba, that is family and a non-veto husband; and each united Varshkrit god and goddess, that is the true savior, true savior. Now I have tried to put on the document basis, constitutional validity basis, the government history, that is he government and she government, that is by Sadchayat. So on that basis, then the government history, that is he government Rashtrapati Bhavan and she government Rashtrapati Bhavan, all are that is the document and document history. So on that basis we are coming individually into 12 and then attaching to the pair 6 and then attaching to the one Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the government Rashtrapati Bhavan, because by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, we are becoming self-employed government servant, and on the uniform employment basis 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, there is constitutionally division, but we are linked, we are marriage everywhere, we are not able to understand, because we have to understand a politician is also earning by its effort, a industrialist is also earning by its effort, a educationist, a lawyer, a scientist, a press reporter, a editor is also earning, a woman is also earning, and a truth and non-violence is also earning, and the government is also earning. So all efforts are being put in Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism, and we are trying to develop a concept on the document basis. On the document it is clearly shown we are 6, because already our forefathers have made 6 mandir. One is Shiv Shakti Mandir, Trishul and the vermilion mark. One is Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Ram Sita Krishna Damita Vilasa Mandir, that is Chakra and vermilion mark. One is the Brahma Saraswati Mandir, that is ISBN certificate in libraries, Hindu libraries all over India. Then one is the Adi Shakti Jamna, the vermilion mark, which we are always safety as a woman we are keeping. And one is the book and vermilion mark, that is Hindu Varshkrit, many types of books are there. And one is the government stamp vermilion mark, means government son. So all are attaching to the this, and I am trying to attach it to the Prime Minister office and opposition leader office, all political parties office, so that the connectivity can be made on the document basis. Automatically each one will be able to understand the organized self-employment ministry 3-digit system, so that organized self-employment ministry will give self-employment. Now we can be clever in that. Suppose 10 paisa is fixed as an graduation, so we are attached to the self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing finance commission to the state and to the central government. Automatically 10 paisa can become 12 paisa. Apart from this, the ministerial benefit will also give in pension, gratuity, provident fund, DNS allowance, which will be connected throughout life between 18 years, 32 years, 46 years and 58 years, and pension will be started according to our work as we have shown. Apart from this, fiscal credit salary is there on which the loans can be done. Organized self-employment ministries account section will directly check the certificate directly, and automatically we will become self-employed. We have the preamble wise organized, preamble wise self-employed number, because we have infinite population directly connected to the fiscal credit per month shower, Election Commission of India, as we have the Aadhaar card and photo election ID card. Similarly, this number will be uniform connected to the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister. Automatically one salary will be given, and as 18 years, suppose any eventuality, death or anything has happened, at 18 years we can start pension, and then 18 to 32 years, whenever we will require, at that time we will start showing our self-funding, self-work, certain our finance minister in democratic manner, whoever political party. I have made Labour Party of India with fist of the hand, and all politicians have their own political party, all are making public opinion and saving. So whoever political party is able to govern the organized self-employment ministry, finance minister will be of that party, and automatically it will look after this fiscal credit employment rate. On that basis, the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit finance commission will be managed, and the preamble wise organized self-employed will be directly connected. So who will be preamble wise organized employed? Those who will be above 30,000 per month earner. They will be also having 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan as preamble wise organized, and we will be having preamble wise organized self-employed as 6 unborn family. Means marriages are above 30,000 per month earner and below 30,000, because according to our qualification we earn. The god and goddess resources is scattered all over India. We as Hindus are genius in truth and non-violence, and we understand each other. When we see Shiv Puran, that is Shiv Mandir. When we see Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, that is Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, that is Chaturbhuj Lakshmi Mandir. When we see Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN certificate, that is the Hindu library, automatically it is Veena Pustak Dharani Brahma, the law. And if we see the Trinetra, Adi Shakti Jagadamba, that is Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir. If we see the Truth and Knowledge Varshkrit, that is Hindu, different culture and tradition written in that. That is each united Varshkrit god and goddess. Different types of culture, every 10 kilometer it changes and language changes. And if we see the Constitution of India, our forefathers have effort from 31st December 1885 and before that also, for making a unified national opinion with their own money. So now I am trying to put the concept constitutional validity on income and work and educational certificate and certificate. Means what work we are doing, that is being constitutional validity. And apart from this, a politician is starting work, automatically he is earning. And why politician? Everyone, industrialist, educationist, all are earning. A woman are to serve, because I have tried to put 12 Rashtrapati, 6 of the individual men, that is Shiv, 4 generation Rashtrapati, Vishnu, that can be taken Ram, Krishna or Amit Rashtrapati Bhavan, Brahma, that in Shiv welfare and in Vishnu life, and Brahma, that is the law. 4 generation Rashtrapati, Adi Shakti Jagadamba, non-veto husband, that is Shiv, Rashtrapati Bhavan, and each united Varshkrit god and goddess, Rashtrapati Bhavan. That is the 4 generation, and the government 4 generation means automatically if we are staying, automatically it is coming up, because from 33 crore we have went to 120 crore, and we all are knowing each other. I am from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 639736077. Truth only terms concept I am giving this, so that we can become self-employed government job earner. And from the woman side, Parvati Rashtrapati Bhavan, individually with 4 generation, Lakshmi Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Parvati, that is Power Rashtrapati Bhavan, Lakshmi Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Radha Rashtrapati, Sita Rashtrapati Bhavan, Radha Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Abhilasha Rashtrapati Bhavan. 4 generation, that is Mani Rashtrapati Bhavan, 4 generation. Education Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Veena Pustak Dharani, Saraswati Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Gyan Rashtrapati Bhavan of Hindus. Then 4 generation. Then Adi Shakti Jagadamba Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is all types of Adi Shakti Jagadamba Trinetra Rashtrapati Bhavan, and 4 generation, that is family Rashtrapati Bhavan. And each united Varshkriteshwari Rashtrapati, that means so many types of god and goddess we have, Gram Devta and all, Gram Devi and all. So all Rashtrapati Bhavan, because all are becoming self-employed government servant by direct ministration. And the government Rashtrapati, because who will keep the file documents, because preamble wise organized, preamble wise, so governmentary Rashtrapati, because all are becoming self-employed government servant in democratic manner. So governmentary Rashtrapati, so automatically 6 are coming, and into the pair Shiva Parvati, that is welfare Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is live money Rashtrapati Bhavan, Brahma Saraswati, that is law education Rashtrapati, Adi Shakti Jagadamba, that is Adi non-veto, that is family non-veto husband, and the truth savior Rashtrapati, that is Varshkrit Rashtrapati Bhavan, and then governmentary Rashtrapati, that is government. And 30,000 above and 30,000 below, and it is connected to the one Rashtrapati Bhavan in democratic manner. 26 January 1951 Rashtrapati Bhavan, so that the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister and the opposition leader will be our looking, because they are our senior of Hindus who have been guiding us, and they have put us on the glory. So we have to understand, and we are below 30,000 per month earner, that we have to realize, we have to specialize our, and for that educational certificate I have put in capital value, so that see the illiterate chamber, the signature note, 1000 rupees difference is between the illiterate chamber and the signature note chamber. Then 5th class pass chamber, 8th class pass chamber, 10th class pass chamber, 12th class pass chamber, graduation pass chambers, and post graduation pass chamber, ample pass chamber, delayed pass chamber, and PhD pass chamber, so that double PhD pass chamber. Automatically what will happen, there will be control, because by the document system we will understand. And the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House, 6 Governor House and 6 Rajbhavan, connected to the 26 January 1950 our Democratic Republic Rashtrapati Bhavan, because it is one only. We have to understand, because we have to give professional respect, because we are giving professional respect to the politician, industrialist, educationist, lawyers, editors, professional, individual also, women, and the truth and non-violence, and the government. All professional we are giving. We are committed to our work, and we are doing from the work from home and from the office. 24/7 organized self-employed ministry is coming, as automatically we are showing certificate, and we are starting working, and every 4 year promotion is coming. Who are efforting? We all are efforting. We are politicians, we industrialists, we all are efforting. If we have the money, automatically our consumerism sovereignty will develop, because demand and supply both are moving in the opposite direction, and both are meeting at one point. Then only the market equilibrium is coming. Similarly, all voters are moving in the opposite direction, and government is moving in the different direction. We have to understand at the collaboration point, because government is for us only. Democratic government is us only, and automatically when we understand each other, then only we can say. So when we are sitting in our chambers, our senior brothers and sister will come to us and automatically they will guide us, because with their t-shirts they can wear. Different political parties have different t-shirts. All political parties are there. My political party is Labour Party of India, fist of the hand. But we have the national political party, and all the national political party and all the regional political party with their t-shirt, they can come to our ministry, organized self-employment ministry, and they can guide us automatically. We can be sitting in the we have our phone number automatically. When we are putting at the organized self-employment ministry account section our certificate, on that basis we will get preamble wise organized and preamble wise organized self-employed number and fiscal credit. We will sign the document of 6 unborn family. We are belonging from 6 unborn family. Which family? Kailas Dham, that is welfare power. Vaikunth Dham, that is the live money. Brahma Saraswati, that is law education. Adi Shakti Jagadamba and non-betrothed husband, family and non-betrothed husband. Is united Varshkrit god and goddess, that is the Hindu Varshkrit god and goddess, truth savior to spend, and government tree, which will be collected to the Prime Minister and Chief Minister, opposition leader, political party, multinational corporation, and automatically educationists, IITs and doctors all, and to the family members, truth and non-violence, and to the truth and non-violence, and to the government, and automatically we will become self-employed government servant. What will happen? We will have a self-employment fiscal credit salary, and by account section we will get preamble wise organized and preamble wise organized self-employment number, and we will have the double salary. If we are working in the private sector, automatically 30,000 above 30,000, that private sector automatically adjusts, because all our brothers industries, we are moving on above 30,000 level, because everyone is proceeding toward above 30,000 per month above earner. So quality will automatically improve, because professionally we have the time that which profession we are choosing, because in money line also, if we are doing any profession, we are trying to develop our economical caliber. For that a organized setup is required, and this fiscal credit uniform table is giving organized setup. If on equilibrium level we are signing, all political party are signing 31st August 1946. From there the claimant document is coming, and we are entering into 6th family horizon, and our power will be in the hand of Prime Minister and Chief Minister, because 6 Rashtrapati born unborn family blood is in us. Minority have no problem, because they are from one Rashtrapati, but we are from the 6 Rashtrapati one already spread. Our main face is coming in the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sat Dham, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, and government Dham family. So automatically Sadjayat is coming, and 6 unborn family transfer automatically, because our in-laws are from one family and we are from one family. So 2 family already we are having, because mother is from one family and father is one family. We are the sons and daughters of this. Apart from this, we require education, so we have to give dedication to the education dham, law and education dham. Apart from this, we have the family, because beauty is required, and that can be possible by the family dham, and the truth and non-violence required. Who will pinpoint that where we are doing mistake in democracy? And apart from this, documentation is also required. Who will do? Government dham. So 6 family, and the power will be in the one president, that is 26 January 1950 president, which have been our guiding principle, and the governor, which have been our guiding principle, on which whenever objection will be, we can go to our Supreme Court and the High Court automatically, because uniform system, infinite population, infinite profession is there, and 6 Rashtrapati one transfer power is in the hand of Prime Minister and Chief Minister. Which house, which Rashtrapati one we will live? Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sat Dham, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, and government Dham, that will be in the hand of our President and our Parliament of India and our Vidhan Sabha, because on that basis the vote bank will be done, because we are the vote bank of the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sat Dham, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, because we have to understand that politician is also earning. The day a person is making a political party, he wants the recognition, because recognition is coming our 20 years 30 years struggle, and what happens? The people are habituated that we are not able to work. This is not fair, because we have to respect each other. Industrialists, politicians, educationists, the editors, the reporters, the Hindu scientists, the lawyers, the family, the truth and non-violence, and the government, all we will respect. Automatically it will come by the signature, because fiscal credit salary we will do 6 signature automatically we will make the 6 stamp on our soldier, and automatically it will remember us, and we will try to celebrate in great favor रामनवमी, कृष्णाष्टमी, दुर्गा पूजा, लक्ष्मी पूजा, सरस्वती पूजा, काली पूजा, रामनवमी, सोमवारी, मंगलवारी, बुधवारी, बृहस्पतिवारी, शुक्रवारी, शनिवारी, all the varies, and the 26 January 1950 and 15th August 1947 as our national day. Apart from this, we will celebrate the self-employment government 31st August to 11th September and to 16 February to 26 February as our national fever, because all the professional is coming 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, and it can increase and decrease according to the inflation, because according to the prime minister and chief minister it will move, because as the materialistic society is moving, we will keep check on with the 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, because according to inflation, deflation, depression and repression it can be improved, because 30,000 per month above earner, that means quality is more coming in that, and the God and blessing is there, family blessing is there. But if we are truthful citizen, we are moving on the path. Everyone is efforting 100%. But what is there? The final verdict is given. I am also moving on this path with organized self-employment ministry and doing session regularly from 31st August 2001. And on this basis, I am giving this suggestion that the blessing is from the upside. But document blessing is always with us. Always in our Kailasdham, Bakundam, Sardham, Adi Shakti, Jagadambadam, each united God and Goddess Dham and Government Dham. Democratic Republican President has always been blessing us. And wherever wrong, we have gone to Supreme Court, High Court and Session Court and Lower Court and the Panchayat. But now the time has changed. We have to understand from 33 crore we have reached to 120 crore. And employment is a big question mark. And my thinking is that one of the biggest problem is that what we will do, and automatically self-employment. What capability we have, uniform fiscal credit is in front of us, and 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below is there. If we are having the strong family background, we can invest our capital and we can try to improve. Double work system is there. One optional work is there in the fiscal in this organized self-employment ministry, but because what work we are doing, we are working from home, we are working in office, because 24/7 organized self-employment ministry is there of the Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, which will be signed, and automatically it will be hand over to the our representative, so that they can manage, because it is a universal concept. Because if we are becoming materialistic, we have to work, and a uniform system is always better than the ununiform system. A platform will be provided in 6 unborn fam and individual 12 form, because individually also we can improve and we can make, and nothing is changing, because signature is only being given, and per month signature if we are giving, automatically we are repeating that we are the 6 unborn family sons and daughters, because our relatives are scattered all over India, and automatically we have made the document prime minister document path and chief minister document path, governor document path and president document path by the signing signature. And in this way 2 salary is already coming. One is uniform salary, where the fiscal credit is fixed on our educational certificate capital, well our accountant is paying connected to the chief minister and prime minister, and for that budget is being performed in the parliament. We are specializing on that. But if we are thinking that one support is required, we are joining in the private sector and double salary. We can be committed worker, because the private sector will also, and we are signing automatically. The government will be interfering if we will not disobey. If we will disobey, automatically government. And also for control, I have tried to put court martial connection, because on that document automatically if we will be disobey, automatically court martial system, because in that way we are living in a democratic government. We have to be disciplined. Automatically court martial connection will be there, so that the democratic way we will understand, because in that way because we are writing and per month we are writing, automatically we are understanding that we are living in a democratic state, where we are self-employed government system. And in that system we have the democracy of 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, 6 sovereignty is moving up, which is being controlled by our president and prime minister, and 750 MPs into 6 on national level, and 4,500 MLAs and MP into 6 on the state level, and on the panchayat level 7 lakh panchayats into 6. So all family members are involved in that, so we have to sign the court martial documents automatically. If we will try to do the way, it can be court martial connection. So we are connected to our family, it can be influenced by our family members that this we have done mistake. Automatically it can be improved, because we will give application that we have done mistake, and application will be listened by our Mukhia and the MLAs and MP, and also we. So automatically we will try to understand that document path will be make us stable. We have to understand that organized self-employment ministry and self-employment government job system will improve, and we should make organized self-employment ministry. And with that I am concluding in the Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, in a democratic manner, from mobile number 639736017 and Truth Only Trumps book, which I am selling in the market. ISBN 8190186026, copyright number 954/03/COL, and room number 1, Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir, Shadow, and 175 Mandir of Shiv Shakti, Shiv Parvati, with Trishul Vermilion mark. Then room number 2, Vishnu Lakshmi, and Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, and 12 Jyotir Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir, Amita Vilasa Mandir, and 175 crore Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, and Brahma Saraswati Mandir, 12 Jyotir Brahma Saraswati Mandir, law education, that is the 175 crore Hindu ISBN certificate, and Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir, Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagwat, 12 Jagadamba Mandir, and 175 crore Jagadamba Mandir, and each united Varshkrit government, that is 108 Upanishad, 4 Vedas, and the 18 Puranas, and the Midla Varshkrit 1st and 2, and all the Varshkrit of India, north, south, east, west, with that, and the ISBN certificate of this Varshkrit, and the Indian Constitution, the 15 member interim government, Clement Attlee, which has been sent, and 299 Constitutional Committee, and the Constitutional, which has been working. I am concluding and worshipping and ending this session for organized self-employment ministry session. We should become organized self-employment ministry, self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal. Thank you.